As a new agent, you may be wondering how to properly sell a house from start to finish. It's important to remember that there's a lot more to it than just taking a few photos and inputting some details. In fact, there are 16 steps that you need to take in order to successfully list a property and close the deal. First things first, before even meeting the clients in person or going through the property, you'll want to get the address. This will allow you to do some due diligence ahead of time, such as running comps on the MLS, looking at sales history in the area, and pulling the title to see if there are any liens or restrictive covenants associated with the property. Once you have the address and have done your due diligence, it's time for the meet and greet. You'll want to meet with the clients at their property and have them give you a tour. This will allow you to get a better understanding of the property and any unique features that the clients may not mention in the conversation. After the tour, you'll want to sit down and go through your listing presentation, highlighting what makes you different and why you would be the best fit for the job. Now you're ready to move on to the evaluation part, where you'll need to think quickly on your feet. You'll want to blend your preparedness from the understanding of the comps with what you just saw and come up with a pricing strategy. From there, you'll move on to marketing the property, negotiating offers, and closing the deal. Once you've got the contract signed and you're ready to list a property, there are a few more steps you'll need to take. The first is to gather all the necessary documents, including the property disclosures, deed and title report in certain states. This will ensure that you have all the necessary information to represent the property accurately. Next, you'll want to schedule a professional photo shoot. Measurements, sign installation, box installation, all of those things. This will help ensure that the property is presented in the best possible light and that the potential buyers can easily access it for showings. You might also need to create additional marketing content, such as videos, brochures. Definitely recommend it. Once everything is ready, it's time to upload all the details to the MLS. This includes everything from the number of bedrooms and bathrooms to the direction the property is facing. After that, it's time to market the property. Don't just upload it and hope for the best. Share the link on social media, do some paid Facebook ads, and list it on Facebook Marketplace and Kijiji. Once the listing is live, you'll start receiving requests for showings. Make sure to actively work to get feedback from the showing so you can relay that information to the sellers. When you receive an offer, you'll need to review the details, including the offer price, possession date, deposit amount, and buyer's condition. Once everything is agreed upon, it's time to close the deal. But the job just doesn't end on possession day. It's essential to ensure that your client's old property is clean, empty, and ready for the new buyers. And the last step is crucial. It's all about nurturing your sellers even after possession day. You don't want to cut ties with them after the sale is done. Instead, you should continue to stay in touch with them. Have certain touch points throughout the year and keep those communications ongoing. Did you know that one client that you work with can result in 7 referrals over a lifetime if you nurture them properly? That's why it's important to provide ongoing value to your clients.